out strong. Jah light a guide the way. Underneath the old acacia tree, the sunlight kiss the ground. Mama rock a little picnic while the world a spin around. She whisper life a sacred journey, though the struggle never done. Every tear we drop from my eye, Jah turn it back into sun. The wind that tell a ancient story about oppression, fight and pride. But mama say hold firm me baby, Jah they always by your side. She on my freedom melody, a lullaby fi heal the land. Feeding hope from out her bosom, future rest in her hand. Oh, Mama Africa, still you rise, still you stand, cradling life inside your arm. Through the fire, through the storm, rock the cradle, Mama, rock through the pain. For the youths, them are the future. Africa rise again, rise again. Oh, oh, Mama Africa, rise again. Oh, oh, Mama Africa, rise again. Politicians talk in circles while the poor can barely eat. Them promise golden future, but bring nothing to the street. The mansion full of laughter, but the ghetto full of cry. Youth man dodging gunshot, cause the system left them dry. But mama say me nah lose faith, me trust in Jah above. For every war we tear the nation, there is still redeeming love. She watches smoke rise in the distance, but she never bow to fear, cause she know the spirit strong. Africa destiny draw near. Oh, Mama Africa, still you rise, still you stand, even when the wicked try to conquer the land. Rock the cradle, Mama, rock through the rain. For the children of tomorrow, Africa rise again, rise again. Oh, Mama Africa, rise again. Oh, Mama Africa, rise again. Rise up, chant the ancestors call. Stand tall, even when we fall. Drum beat thunder like a lion at the valley. Africa call our children home and start the rally. Forward, forward, stronger, stronger. Forward, forward, stronger, stronger. Mama stroke our baby for it. Say me child, don't lose your way. Every burden build the warrior, every night prepare the day. Her milk mixed with silent sorrow, but her courage never done. She whisper in the darkness, me child, you are the sun. She point to the horizon, where the mountains kiss the sky, and say one day you'll be the voice for all the youths who cry. Grow with love inside your spirit, keep compassion in your soul. For Africa tomorrow, need a heart that's strong and whole. Oh, Mama Africa, cradle up inside your chest. Though the world bring tribulation, still your heartbeat never rests. Rock the rhythm, Mama, rock the nation back to life, till the lion and the lamb learn. If you walk without strife, rise again. Oh, oh. war picnic. Wisdom set you free. And Africa's tomorrow start with you and me. Mama, mama Africa, old strong, Jah light that guide the way. Underneath the old acacia tree, the sunlight kiss the ground. Mama rock a little picnic while the world has spin around. She whisper life a sacred journey, though the struggle never done. Every tear we drop from my eye, Jah turn it back into sun. The winner tell a ancient story about oppression, fight and pride. But mama say, hold firm, me baby, Jah they always by your side. She hum a freedom melody, a lullaby feel the land, feeding hope from out her bosom, future rest in our hand. Mama Africa, still you rise, still you stand, cradling life inside your arm, through the fire, through the storm. Rock the cradle, mama rock through the pain. For the youths, them are the future. Africa rise again, rise again, rise again. Mama Africa rise again. Politicians talk in circles while the poor can barely eat. Them promise golden future, but bring nothing to the street. Them mansion full of laughter, but the ghetto full of cry. Youth man dodging gunshot, cause the system left them dry. But mama said, me nah lose faith, me trust in Jah above. For everyone we tear the nation, there is still redeeming love. She watched the smoke rise in the distance, but she never bowed to fear, cause she know the spirit strong. Africa destiny draw near. Mama Africa, still you rise, still you stand, even when the wicked try to conquer the land. Rock the cradle, mama rock through the rain, for the children of tomorrow. Africa rise again. Rise up, chant the ancestors' call. Stand tall, even when we fall. Drum beat thunder like a lion in the valley. Africa call our children home and start the rally. Rise up, chant the ancestors' call. Stand tall, even when we fall. Drum beat thunder like a lion in the valley. Africa call our children home and start the rally. Forward, stronger. Mama stroke our baby for it. Say me child, don't lose your way. Every burden build the warrior. Every night prepare the day. Her milk mixed with silent sorrow, but her courage never done. She whisper in the darkness, me child, you are the sun. She point to the horizon where the mountains kiss the sky, and say one day you'll be the voice for all the youths who cry. Grow with love inside your spirit, keep compassion in your soul. For Africa tomorrow need a heart that's strong and whole. Oh, Mama Africa, cradle hope inside with you and me.